nature? I'll show you some nature.
Oh. What's important today is I am 21 today and I'm 21. Can you do something for me? So we are on our way to Penn Station because we are going to the sugar factory. We never been there. You never been there, right? Okay, she's never been there either, so this is the first for all of us. I'm like, girl, I'm really excited. This is the makeup inside. Has some purple. Move that freaking beard. We got the lip combo as per usual. I'll show you the fit. So I wore this like brown top and some jeans that are like two-tone.
Right now, there's nothing to say except be silly, be goofy today. You know. Thank you for the attention for today.
You barely gave it to me. She stayed trying to take my spotlight, but anyway, we're not gonna let that happen, guys. Oh God, this is the new color, guys, in the light. It looks so cute. I really, really like it. But I tried something new with my hair because I don't really do my hair much. She cute. I like it. Not you. Look what she just did. No. Look at that. She's for enterprises. Okay, let's see what this is. Hello.
Hi, how are you? This is Amanda from Sugar Factory.
Sugar.
Cassie, is it still coming in for your reservation?
Yes, we are.
Alright.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And reserved. Reserved.
So we'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. Guys, look. So we went to the underground market and we went to Crunch Cheese Korean hot dog. I got a mozzarella hot dog with garlic parmesan sauce on top. Get around like that. No, but that's
shit. Oh shit. This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
First bite, first bite.
But I don't like how I freaking bit into the stick.
Rate it 10 out of 10.
I'm gonna give it a 10. Had to have this because I never tried it before.
Well, we didn't have to have this. We had to have a drink.
Ooh.
Because we were sweating.
Jesse would have been happy and told.
Torture.
We're on Broadway. It is 2:28. We went to the location of this damn sugar factory and it was the one that was permanently closed. Wait, we just keep going down?
I'm saying take out your phone because I don't know where we're going.
Bitch!
And
I thought you had the directions. Let's just go this way.
No, that's the wrong thing. Did we pass this?
No.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, so now she wants me to have her stupid phone. Cindy, you're so annoying.
Sweat, torture, blood, sweat, and tears. Okay? All because of who?
It wasn't my fault. I told her to put it in correctly.
It was her fault.
I told her to put it into Times Square, and what the do? Puts it into something else.
Bitch.
Oh my God, that's a cute little puppy.
I want to take my shoes off.
Same. I'm getting a blister on the back. I could feel it. So, how do you feel? Can you talk to the viewers?
I'm frustrated because someone lied to me.
You need to get out!
Somebody lied to my face.
I didn't lie to you.
And I feel like I've been walking for 5 hours.
Making up for the time we haven't been going to the gym.
I go every day, so I don't know what she's talking about. I go every single day.
She's trying to lie.
I'm not lying.
Just to make herself look.
No, I'm not. And the fact that she wants to take over right now,
It's not even your
when
camera.
she is not qualified. Did y'all see that?
What?
She was staring that lady. Fordham, Adona, if you ever see this, baby girl, boo. Fordham, oh shit.
My feet are good, but the back of it hurts a little. We're only like 10 minutes away, so what's the difference? Because we still gotta go to West 57th. And we're on West 61st. So we're not even really that close. I'm gonna remember this trip forever. I love it. I don't know, I'm having a good time.
I mean,
I got a message from Scarecrow saying, happy birthday, girl. 21 is gonna be the best year. I'm like, didn't you block me? All right, I'm gonna end it here and we'll vlog later when we're closer to the place or when we're there.
Let me know when you're ready.
Ready. Nice. Thank you. How cute. So we're here. I got this drink. It's a lollipop drink. Supposedly it's really good. I'm here with Sandy. She's still bubbling, just a little bit. But how do you feel so far?
Good. We're sitting. I'm not red anymore. There's a part of this.
Right. I'm really happy that I changed the reservation for 3:30 just because they were serving brunch 8 to 3. So we just made the cut. I was like, who's trying to eat brunch? No. At 3:30, no thank you. Alright, we'll report back when we have our food and then we'll record when we are going back. We are entering the room. Nena, dime si tú estás para mí, como yo estoy para tu ti. En una noche me di, y te paro allí. Nena, dime si tú estás para mí, como yo estoy para ti. I guess I wasn't supposed to come yet.
Well, they don't know how to do a dance try.
Right now, I'm waiting for them to light the candles. I'm here with Tarzan. I was just in that room and, you know, stop, where are you going? Come here. I don't know where he thinks he's going. Hey. He just burped, that weirdo. He's so cute.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kathy. Happy birthday to you. Shut up.
It's not your birthday, quiet.
She was singing too.
No, she wasn't.
Oh, she's singing. Please, blow it out.
Okay.
The fact that nobody claps is a I got it. Chanel, stop. Chanel. Get away. Hell out of me. Hey, yo, chill. We're gonna cut it right now because,
Yeah, bruh, that looked like me. All right.
go.
Bye, guys. Say bye,
Now
Chanel.
go cut it. Back with your